Life is difficult and complicated and beyond anyone's total control, and the humility to know that will enable you to survive its vicissitudes.
We've all been there, faced with failure, disappointment, and setbacks that leave us feeling defeated and alone. However, failure is a necessary part of the journey toward success. And no one understands this better than J.K. Rowling, the beloved author of the Harry Potter series. It's easy to look at someone like J.K. Rowling and think that success came easy to her. After all, she's the author of one of the most beloved book series of all time, with millions of adoring fans around the world. But the truth is, Rowling's path to success was anything but easy. In fact, it was riddled with failure, disappointment, and setbacks. In J.K. Rowling's 2008 commencement speech at Harvard University, she speaks about the power of failure and the importance of perseverance. She shares her own personal experiences of failure and how they led her to become the successful author she is today. One of the key messages in her speech is that failure is not something to be feared, but rather embraced as a necessary part of the journey to success. And for those of us who are struggling with failure, disappointment, or setbacks, Rowling has this to say.
You might never fail on the scale I did, but some failure in life is inevitable. It is impossible to live without failing at something, unless you live so cautiously that you might as well not have lived at all, in which case you fail by default.
Rowling goes on to explain that failure can be a powerful teacher, providing valuable lessons that can be used to improve and grow. She cites her own experience of being a single mother on welfare, which she describes as a stripping away of the inessential, as a formative experience that helped her to focus on what truly mattered in her life and writing. As Rowling said in her speech,
So why do I talk about the benefits of failure? Simply because failure meant a stripping away of the inessential. I stopped pretending to myself that I was anything other than what I was, and began to direct all my energy into finishing the only work that mattered to me. Had I really succeeded at anything else, I might never have found the determination to succeed in the one arena where I believed I truly belonged.
These words are a powerful reminder that failure is not something to be feared, but rather a natural and necessary part of the path toward success. It is through our failures that we learn the most valuable lessons, and it is through our perseverance that we can rise above even the toughest of challenges. Rowling knows this firsthand. After being rejected by multiple publishers for her first novel, she found herself on the brink of giving up on her dream of becoming a writer. But she didn't. She kept pushing forward, working tirelessly on her craft, until she finally found success with the Harry Potter series. Rowling's words are a powerful reminder that success is not about the length of our journey, but rather about the quality of the journey itself. It is about the lessons we learn, the people we meet, and the challenges we overcome along the way. It's easy to let failure define us. To let it consume us, to let it hold us back from pursuing our dreams. But the truth is, failure is not the end, it is the beginning of something greater. It is the moment when we have the opportunity to rise above, to learn from our mistakes, and to grow stronger and wiser as a result. As Rowling reminds us, it is our choices that show what we truly are, far more than our abilities. So choose to be strong. Choose to be resilient. Choose to never give up on the journey towards your dreams. And when you do encounter failure along the way, and you will, choose to embrace it as an opportunity to learn and grow. Ultimately, it is our choices that define us, the choice to keep trying, to keep pushing, and to never give up on our dreams. Rowling said,
And so rock bottom became the solid foundation on which I rebuilt my life.
And so it can be for you too. With hard work, determination, and a willingness to embrace failure along the way, anything is possible. In her speech, Rowling speaks to the very heart of what it means to be human, to struggle, to fail, and to rise again. Her words are a call to action for all those who have ever felt defeated or overwhelmed by life's obstacles. She encourages us to pick ourselves up, dust ourselves off, and to keep moving forward, no matter how difficult the journey may be. So go out there and embrace failure. Embrace the journey towards your dreams. And most importantly, embrace who you truly are, flaws and all. Because as Rowling reminds us, it is only by embracing our failures and flaws that we can truly reach our full potential. It is only by being true to ourselves and following our passions that we can find true success and happiness in life. So don't be afraid to take risks, to try new things, and to pursue your dreams with everything you've got. And when you inevitably encounter failure along the way, remember that it is not the end, it is simply a stepping stone on the path towards your ultimate goal. As Rowling said in her speech,
"The knowledge that you have emerged wiser and stronger from setbacks means that you are, ever after, secure in your ability to survive. You will never truly know yourself, or the strength of your relationships, until both have been tested by adversity. Such knowledge is a true gift."
So go out there and be bold. Be fearless. And most importantly, be true to yourself. Because in the end, it is only by embracing failure and embracing who we truly are that we can truly live a life without regrets. Ultimately, Rowling's speech is a testament to the power of the human spirit, the unbreakable force that drives us to overcome even the most insurmountable of obstacles. It is a reminder that we are all capable of greatness, if only we have the courage to keep trying, no matter how many times we may fail.
What we achieve inwardly will change outer reality. That is an astonishing statement, and yet proven 1,000 times every day of our lives.
So let's follow in the footsteps of J.K. Rowling and embrace failure as a natural part of the journey toward success. So choose to be strong, to be resilient, and to never give up on the journey towards your own personal success. With hard work, determination, and a willingness to embrace failure along the way, anything is possible. Let's learn from our mistakes, grow stronger and wiser, and never give up on the journey towards our dreams. Because in the end, it is not about the destination, but rather about the journey itself. A journey that is made all the more beautiful and rewarding by the challenges we overcome along the way. So if you're feeling lost, defeated, or overwhelmed by failure, take heart in Rowling's words. Remember that failure is not the end, but rather a stepping stone to success. And when you do find success, look back on your failures with pride, knowing that they were the stepping stones that led you to where you are today.
As is a tale, so is life. Not how long it is, but how good it is what matters. I wish you all very good lives. Thank you very much.